Family sharing allows you to share your AllTrails Plus subscription with family members, making it easier to explore the outdoors together. Follow these steps to enable family sharing on AllTrails Plus. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and family sharing options. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can find family sharing options. Step 3. Select Family Sharing. Scroll down and find the Family Sharing option. Tap on it to access the settings for adding family members and managing your sharing preferences. Step 4. Add family members. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Share AllTrails Plus subscription. Once your family members are added, go to the AllTrails app. Ensure that your subscription is active and your family members should automatically have access to AllTrails Plus features through family sharing. Now you and your family can enjoy exploring trails together with AllTrails Plus. Happy hiking!